Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is download Biotools, and as such, and when we do that, after we've done that, we can also download the practice data. Okay, and once those are downloaded, we'll show them in the folder. For Biotools, we'll do that first. Just click inside the folder, and set it up, and extract everything. And now that it's extracted, double-click Biotools Setup. You probably can extract everything in advance and not have to do that. And here, more info, run anyway. Accepting the terms. Everything is kept default, so I'm just clicking next. And finishing. So Biotools is now installed. And if I want to find Biotools, go here to Windows, All Apps, Broker, Biotools. That's assuming that there's not a shortcut on the desktop. And if you wanted one, you can always right-click and say Add Shortcut here. So now Biotools. Open. Do this later. And Biotools is working.